Would you like to know how I made over $1,867 on YouTube absolutely free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you guys can replicate this exact same process using YouTube 100% free. Let's get it. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Guys, I used to work a 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated, so I want to show you exactly how I was able to leave that 9-to-5 job and go all in with my online business. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so as I mentioned, we did over $1,867.63 the last 28 days on YouTube. Now what I'm showing you right here is YouTube ad revenue. So essentially what this means is when I go and create a free YouTube video, I'm allowing YouTube to go ahead and place ads on my video. Now, as you can see here, in the last 28 days, about $1,800. This typically will vary, okay? As you can see right here, you know, in November we did $2,100, and then in October we did another $2,100. So this number has been fairly the same, but it will tend to vary. Sometimes it'll be bigger, sometimes it'll be smaller. But typically with YouTube ad revenue, they pay you for creating videos. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is I think most people that create a YouTube channel just focus on the YouTube ad revenue, which is great, right? This is amazing. We've done, you know, $1,800 in the last about 28 days, right? And if I even go to this year, 2021, we've done about $24,000, right? Now, the purpose of this channel is to help you guys quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. So although $24,000 is a lot of money, for most, they're not going to be able to quit their 9-to-5 jobs, right? And what you guys need to understand about my channel specifically is my videos don't go viral, guys, right? If you go to my channel here, you know, I get, you know, an okay amount of views, but as you can see, these videos do not go viral, right? You know, 1,000 views, 700 views here, 200 views on this one, you know, 2,000. So, you know, we range anywhere between 500, maybe 2,000 to 3,000 views, depending on the video itself, okay? What you guys need to understand here is these videos are not intended to go viral, okay? If they go viral, then that's even better for our business. But we create these videos for a specific person, you know, looking to quit their 9-to-5 job, looking to do affiliate marketing, learn marketing techniques, traffic, all that stuff, right? So we're not talking to the masses, right? We're only talking to a specific person, and that's why we can't get these insane revenues like, you know, a Mr. Beast or a PewDiePie, where they focus more on lots of views and YouTube ad revenue, okay? Now, what I want to mention, guys, is how am I making a lot more money than this, right? Now, you can see inside one of my accounts here, you know, we've done so far, we'll just go this year to date, about almost $1 million here, right? And this is just one account here, okay? Now, if I show you other accounts, you can see, you know, this is ClickFunnels, which is another program that we recommend, $54,000 here, GetResponse, about $8,000 here, and then TubeBuddy, $1,100 here, and it goes on and on, right? We promote multiple products, guys, using our affiliate stacking ecosystem, okay? But what I want to mention is, you know, most people just focus on this YouTube ad revenue, which is amazing, but you can make a lot more money. So how are we doing this, okay? Well, guys, in all my videos, right, I create specific content or specific keywords, but in all these videos, we have a specific call to action, okay? So for example, right, some of these videos right here, I'll just go to this one as an example. So in this video, if I go to details, I always tell people to click the link in the bio, right? Because we help people with a certain result, right? In this case right here, you can see this is the link that we're trying to get people to, all right? Now, the cool thing is this one link promotes multiple products, okay? This is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, which I've talked about in other videos. But essentially what this is, basically we're promoting with one link. This is the one link we're sending them to from our YouTube videos. And after we send them to that one link, we can then build an affiliate stacking ecosystem where we're now promoting multiple offers, okay, as you can see here. And that's how I'm able to get multiple commissions with multiple programs because of this affiliate stacking ecosystem. But what you guys need to understand is we're not just on YouTube creating content to make ad revenue. We're on YouTube creating content so we can get people to these affiliate links, and we can promote multiple products. Okay, now I've talked about before the affiliate stacking ecosystem on why it's so powerful and why, you know, we don't just promote multiple products just to promote multiple products. We promote products to get people to a certain result, right? We want people to quit their 9-to-5 job. They're going to need multiple things to get them to that core result. Okay, and that's what I teach in the affiliate stacking ecosystem, right? Most people, when they talk about affiliate marketing, you know, they just send them from their traffic or YouTube or whatever it is to the link, and that's it, right? They kind of lose a customer. But with the affiliate stacking ecosystem, we're actually teaching people on how to build out this business of people that know, like, and trust them. And that's why it's so powerful, right? That's why we're able to take these extremely simple YouTube videos and convert these videos into, you know, hardcore commissions, right? Affiliate commissions, not only one affiliate stream, but multiple affiliate streams. Okay, now guys, how am I doing this, right? If you look at my content, we're basically creating videos almost every single week. So we create about 3 videos a week. We do have shorts in between, but what I'm doing is creating very specific videos, helping people with a specific result, right? Now, as you can see here, we don't have tons and tons of views, right? You know, I have not a huge channel, 34,000 subscribers, but the people that watch my videos are willing to take action and willing to buy our products that we recommend. Why? Because they want that core result. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, guys, I'm going to tell you right now that this process is extremely simple. Okay, it's not easy, but it's simple, and I'm very consistent at what I do. Okay, so when I first started this business, I started this YouTube channel out, had no idea how to create videos, had no idea how to get on camera, but I just went ahead and started creating videos. Now, what I recommend to start creating videos is go and find 10 of the top YouTubers that you want to model after, okay? I want you to study them. I want you to model their top 10 videos, and this is going to help you get started, okay? Again, this is a simple process. We go and find 10 people and model 10 of their top videos. That's 100 videos that you're already going to have ready to go on your new YouTube channel. I said it was simple, not easy. Why is it not easy? Because it's going to be hard to get up and create 100 videos, but the process is simple. All you have to do is model the videos that are already crushing it on YouTube. You know, model the YouTube title, model the thumbnail, the keywords, and you're going to do well, okay? The more you stay consistent, the more you'll be able to put out videos, the better you're going to get. And you'll be able to create this affiliate stacking ecosystem, but more importantly, a system of people that are going to know, like, and trust you. Now guys, if you want to learn exactly how you can start building this affiliate stacking ecosystem and how you can start promoting multiple products, start building out a brand that knows, likes, and trusts you, and how to create a YouTube channel that is going to be growing over time, guys, I want to invite you to the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge down in the YouTube description down below, where we're going to show you exactly how you guys can get started and how you can start building out this affiliate stacking ecosystem for yourself. But the most important thing is we're going to teach you how you can quit your 9-to-5 job with the affiliate stacking ecosystem. And I want you guys to understand that building this YouTube channel has been the biggest game changer in my business, in my life. This is why I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job, because I stayed consistent with this one thing. YouTube is so powerful, guys, and you guys need to understand the power of building a brand on YouTube and getting people to watch your videos and take action to your affiliate stacking ecosystem. If I could get you guys to believe how powerful YouTube is, then you guys would understand the power of YouTube and why you need to get into YouTube in 2022 and moving forward for your online business. And if you're just starting out looking to quit your 9-to-5 job, why you need to get on YouTube to build your brand. So guys, I hope this video was of value and an eye-opener. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel down below if you found any value in this video. Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.